Hey everybody, my name is Alec Smith. I'm from northeastern Arizona. I started at Unity College through their distance education program about a year and a half ago. I looked into Unity College at first because it seemed like a great school to be able to keep the lifestyle and the work schedule that I wanted, and also be able to get the education that I needed. It's done exactly what I hoped it would do, and I'm able to work full-time, spend a lot of time with my family, and learn a lot of cool things. This year I'm able to be a full-time intern with the Arizona Game and Fish Department, raising native apache trout, and it's great to see what I learn at Unity College being put to use. Anyways, thanks guys, have a good day.